key trends driving skills economy and how data science tool chains are evolving. In this video, we will be talking about 9 must-have skills for data scientists. So let's get started. Coming to the first skill, Python. Besides mathematics and statistical skills, data scientists require a sound knowledge of programming languages. According to the survey report, Python continues to be the most popular programming language. Besides Python, there are a few other programming languages such as R, SQL and SAS which currently share the attention in the community. Moving on to the second skill, knowledge of Python libraries. Python includes a number of libraries and frameworks for data science and machine learning. Among the libraries, some of the favorite libraries includes Pandas, NumPy, sklearn and Matplotlib. For deep learning, a data scientist can use TensorFlow, Keras, Theano and PyTorch to solve complex and more advanced problems in data science and deep learning. Coming to the third skill, knowledge of GPU hardware and CUDA. Data science and deep learning models are getting complex every day. Machine learning techniques such as artificial neural network, natural language processing, among others, are complex and highly data parallel architecture in which only a powerful machine than a CPU can accomplish the computations. GPUs are used by data scientists in order to accelerate these analytical applications. In our survey, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 9 series GPU and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 10 series proved to be the choice for 28% and 16% of the data scientists respectively. Coming to the next skill, deep understanding of algorithms. Around 71% of data scientists have been utilizing this method in their work. Besides logistic regression, other algorithms such as decision trees, convolutional neural and feed-forward neural network are also in demand for data science projects. Coming to the fifth skill, having great comfort with cloud service providers. With data increasing at a fast pace in organization, almost every enterprise is moving their data on the cloud instead of on-premise solutions. Apart from languages and algorithm skill set, it is important for data scientists to have a clear concept of how an organization is storing data on the cloud. Our survey reveals that 43% of data scientists work on Amazon Web Service, while 33% and 16% of data scientists use Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure respectively. Moving on to the next skill set, strong command over visualization tools. Visualization plays an important role where a data analyst needs to show where the data of an organization is leading to. Popular visualization tool Tableau is preferred by more than half of the respondents as per our survey. Besides Tableau, Microsoft BI is another preferred tool by data scientists. Coming to the seventh skill, knowing your way around GitHub. In almost every video that we have done till now, GitHub has been mentioned at least once. GitHub can be said as the most widely used and popular platform for data scientists where they use it for collaborating on projects, making contributions, changes in a number of projects, as well as track back the changes which have been done over time. In our survey, 62% of the respondents claim that they use GitHub for finding open data. Coming to the eighth skill, notebook as a choice IDE. For writing code, testing and debugging, a data science needs a development environment. Integrated development environment is a coding tool which allows code completion by resource management, debugging, tools, etc. In our survey, Notebook, RStudio and PyCharm show the most favorable ones. Coming to the last skill, expertise in Hadoop. Organizations are implementing big data analytics nowadays to gain insights and pattern from the large chunks of data. Harnessing data through this process is cost effective and helps in better decision making. Half of the recipients chose Hadoop as a preferred big data analytics tool and the rest half use NoSQL or other customized tools. With that, we come towards the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Analytics India magazine and follow this segment for everything in the world of data science. See you soon. Bye.